Addie, where are your shoes? Shoes, yes. Addie, where's your head? Where's your nose? Where's your ears? Where's your mouth? Right. Where's Mama's princess? Oh, I see. Where's Mama's princess? It's certainly not up your nose. Addie, where's the dog? Where's Alpine? Where's Alpine? Addie, where's Alpine? Addie, where's the baby?
Baby.
Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Blow kisses. Perfect.